Hello student, good morning to all of you. Student, in 1 week there are two period of in science biology section, only two periods. Okay student, so today's online class I will discuss the next topic of chapter number 7. So student, get ready to learn about the conservation of plants and animals. In previous classes, I have discussed what is the conservation, what is the consequences of the deforestation, what is the forest, and what is the natural resources. Forest is a natural resources, good natural resources of the all human beings, plants, and animals, and other microorganisms. Okay, student. So today I will be discussed about some oral question of the previous topic and some next topic about the biosphere reserve. So get ready student. Date August 2020 class 8. Okay, subject science. In science I am taking a biology section. Today's topic is some oral question of page number. Student, please wait, I am taking the book also for explanation the question answer. So wait student, and take book, pencil, sharpener and eraser. So open the page number 116. Question is oral question. There are 4 questions. What is a wise and judicious use of all natural resources called? Student, wise and judicious use of the all natural resources are called is conservation. Write down answer first. Conservation. Write down with the help of pencil. And question number 2. Name one human activities which disturb the ecological balance of nature. So many activities by the human beings for constructing dam, embankments, industries, they are cutting more and more tree in that particular area. So one activity which disturb the ecological balance of cutting of trees. Cutting of trees. Answer number 3. Answer number 3. Name a renewable natural sources that prevent soil erosion, provide many useful materials and regulate climate. Student, a good natural resources and which is also renewable, that is forest. Close the door. Okay student. Now 4th question is, why should we plant more seedling on the deforested land every year during rainy season? Student, it is very good job for the planting more trees on the deforested area to conserve the forest. So the right answer will be more seedling on the deforested area, that is called to conserve forest. To conserve forests. To conserve forest. Write down the answer, student. Therefore, oral question is given in your page number 116 based on your previous topic about conservation. And I am going to explain the next topic, that is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve. Student, what is the meaning of biosphere reserve? Reserve means to protect, to conserve. Biosphere including the plants, animal and a particular area. Student, means the all national park, sanctuaries and wildlife area, that is called biosphere. That is called biosphere. In and government give a act, that is called Wildlife Act. Wildlife Act 1972, that protect the biosphere from getting degenerated. Okay, that means they protect the wildlife animal in the parks, sanctuaries and in the forest. So what is the biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve is the protected area developed to conserve. Protected area to conserve. Protected area to conserve. What conserve? Biodiversity. Biodiversity. Okay, student. Means biosphere reserve is protected area to conserve biodiversity, and it is also understand by the other definition, means the area that is protected by the Wildlife Act 1972 for multiple purposes. In this, people cannot poaching or catching the wildlife animals. Okay, poaching means killing. POA, poaching. Can't killing. Catching. So this act provide to poaching and catching the wild animals. Okay, student. So and also educate the person to protect the wildlife animals, and about environment aspect to the ecologically friendly, eco-friendly, ecological friendly, and also environment and control for environment. So biosphere reserve means biosphere reserve is to protect area to conserve the biodiversity. Okay, student, and there are 12 biosphere reserve in our India. How many? 12. There are 12 biosphere reserve in India. Student, biosphere reserve is the largest, too much longer, largest than national park and sanctuary. sanctuaries. So many park and sanctuaries are available in our India. So student, biosphere is much more longer to the national park and sanctuaries. So student, there are 12 biospheres are present in our India. You can write down, you can read from your book also. I am giving some names: Panchmarahi, Nilgiri and Norfolk, Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri. Okay, Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri, and write down. You can write down Nanda Devi, and Nok Rock, Great Nicobar, and Sundarban, and Dibru Saikora, SAIKHOWA, and Debong, and Panchmarahi, Kanchenjunga. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There are two more wildlife, two more biosphere reserve are. You can write down two more: Great Nicobar, Nanda Devi, Sundarban, Simlipal, Manas. Simlipal and Manas. Simlipal and Manas. So student, a biosphere reserve may also contain their protected area in it. A biosphere is also protected area in it. In biosphere, you know student, there are large variety of the plants and animals are found in that particular area. So for example, the Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve consists of Marine biosphere consists of, student, flora and fauna. Flora means the large variety of the plants and fauna means the large variety of the animals. Okay, one national park named Satpura National Park, and one second is the wildlife sanctuary named Bori and Panchmarahi. Bori and Panchmarahi. This is the SANCTUARIE sanctuaries. Means in the Panchmarahi biosphere there are one national park and one wildlife sanctuaries. Student, they are the difference between the national park and sanctuaries. Student, national park and wildlife sanctuary. National park are created by the human being, and under the Wildlife Act 1972, it is protected the particular area from the killing and catching the wildlife animals. Okay, student, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem. Student, all biosphere or environment, our environment are made up by the two component, that is biotic component and abiotic component. So all living beings are the biotic components, means all plants, animals, humans, microorganism, these are the biotic component. And abiotic components are sunlight, temperature, soil, water, okay, and so many things which are the non-living, but the living beings are depend upon the non-living beings. Okay, student. So the ecosystem are interconnected and related to each other. Interconverting means biotic and abiotic. They are interconnected, biotic and abiotic components. Okay. So the function of ecosystem are transfer of matter. What is the ecosystem? Means transfer of energy from higher level to lower level. Suppose only energy is transferred from the one organism to the another organism. Okay, student. So fixation of solar energy. Second is fixation of solar energy. Okay, student. There are two common things are found in the ecosystem in transfer of energy and fixation of solar energy. Okay, student. Now what is flora and fauna? Flora and fauna. Flora means the plants which are found in that particular biosphere reserve, and fauna means the variety of animals that are found in the particular biosphere sanctuaries. Suppose in Panchmarahi biosphere reserve, the flora are what is sal, wild, mango, teak, sagaun. This is the common flora that is plants, are found in the Panchamarai biosphere. Okay, student? Jamun, silver fern, jamun, and fauna means chital, chinkara. There are some addition. Chinkara and barking deer. These are the common in the Panchamarai Biosphere Reserve. And wild dog, and student blue bull are some common wild animals that are found in the Panchamarai Biosphere Reserve. Okay? You can read, you can write down in the rough copy, student. Now, I am going to explain your next topic. Student, you know what is your next topic? Your next topic will, what are the endemic species? Endemic species means, student, the plants and animals that are found in the particular area. Okay, student? I am going to erase this. This is the biosphere reserve. Now your next topic is endemic species. Species means this is the smallest unit of the classification, first of all. And suppose there are so many wild animals are found in the national park, sanctuaries, in the forest. There are some common food habit and common the respiratory system and the breeding system. Suppose some movable islands are cutted from the other biosphere area, and there are some special species are found in that particular island. Suppose kangaroo, they are not found in everywhere, they are found in only Australia. Suppose these types of the species which are extremely found in the particular area, that is called endemic species. The species of plants and animals which are found, the species of plants and animals that are found in extremely a particular area, in exclusive in a place, exclusively in a place or biota is called endemic species. So student, all endemic species are unique characteristics. These characteristics are not found in the other biosphere area, other wildlife sanctuary and national park. So student, this is due to the geographical isolation. When in previous thousands of years ago, our world is divided into many continents, subcontinents. So there are some particular species are distributed due to the geographical isolation. Okay, so remote isolated groups such as Hawaii and Galapagos, ऐसे Hawaii. This is the movable island. Movable islands, where the particular plants, except plant, there are many wildlife such as wild mango and sal. Wild mango are found in the form of flora and fauna. Student, bison, Indian giant squirrel, Indian giant QUERRE, bison, squirrel, bison and flying squirrel. Flying, yes, QUIRREL. This is wildlife movable, also called remote area. In Hawaii and in Galapagos, there are special types of plants and animals are found, and they are not found in other islands and wildlife sanctuaries. Student, what is the wildlife sanctuaries and national park? So student, your next topic is the wildlife sanctuary and national park. So they are same. The area which are strictly reserved. STRI CTLY, strictly reserved means totally reserved for killing and catching the animals. Okay. So wildlife sanctuary also provide suitable living condition. Provide suitable condition to flora and fauna in a particular place by strictly reserved, through strictly reserved. Okay, so in sanctuaries there are some common features, mean their habitat are similar. Means suppose Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, there the same types of the plants are found everywhere, and animals. So their habitat means the dwelling place where the animals are live. So habitats are similar, and suppose Gharial, which is a type of the reptiles. Also, this is found in the water. And Mars crocodile crocodile. Okay, Mars crocodile, python, rhinoceros, python. There are some animals which are found in the same habitat. Okay, and in sanctuary, killing, poaching, capturing, are totally banned, restricted. Okay, student. So I will discuss more about the national park and wildlife sanctuary in your next online classes, because your time is now going over. So write down today's homework, student. Read Biosphere Reserve and about endemic SPECIES endemic species. Okay, student. So student, you are all read about the biosphere reserve and about endemic species, and you can also learn the wildlife sanctuaries and what is the national park. Okay, and learn some oral question answer which are the solved in your today's online class, page number 116. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Class over.